If Figma is giving you errors, crashing, freezing, or not loading properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the most common Figma problems fast. Whether the issue is with the desktop app, your browser, your network, or a file that's too heavy to open, these steps will help you troubleshoot it the right way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, we'll start with the easiest fix, clearing the Figma app cache. If you're using the Figma desktop app, open it up and look for the drop-down arrow or your profile menu in the top corner. From there, go to Help, then choose Troubleshooting. In that menu, you should see an option that says Reset Figma and Restart, or in some versions, Clear Cache. Click that option and let Figma restart. This can fix a lot of problems because it removes temporary files that may be causing bugs, display issues, or loading errors. If Figma still isn't working after that, the next thing to do is test it in your browser. Open Figma in a web browser and sign in the same way you normally do. If Figma works fine in the browser, then the problem is likely with the desktop app itself, not your account or file. That's helpful because it narrows down the issue right away. If the browser version also has problems, then the issue may be related to your internet connection, browser settings, or file size. Now let's check your network settings because sometimes Figma errors are caused by blocked connections. Turn off any VPNs, proxies, or strict firewalls that could be interfering with Figma. Figma needs a stable connection, and in some cases it can be blocked if port 443 is restricted. That port is commonly used for secure web traffic, so if your network filters are too aggressive, Figma may fail to load or sync properly. After turning those things off, reload Figma and see if the issue is gone. Another common reason for Figma problems is file size. If a file runs out of memory or becomes too heavy, it may lag, crash, or refuse to open properly. To fix that, remove huge images, reduce unnecessary assets, or split large frames into smaller sections. If your design has a lot of high-resolution files, that can quickly slow things down. Cleaning up the file can make a huge difference, especially for large team projects or complex design systems. Finally, make sure everything is fully updated. Update the Figma app if you're using the desktop version. Update your browser if you're working online, and don't forget your graphics drivers as well. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues, rendering problems, and random errors that are hard to trace. Once everything is updated, restart your device and try Figma again. So to quickly recap, clear the Figma cache, test in the browser, check your network settings, reduce file size if needed, and update your app, browser, and drivers. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem immediately. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.